Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Sira here. Thank you so much for coming in. If it is your first time here, like I said, my name is Sira. Welcome. And if it is not your first time here, thank you so much for coming back, you guys. Don't forget to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on these videos. Yeah, so today I did this. I feel like it's giving me a springy vibe look, and I did this chocolate lip, which I love me a new lip, but every now and then you want to try something a little bit bolder, a little bit different. So yeah, that's what I did. And I also used some new makeup in this video, guys. So if you guys would like to see how I achieved this gorgeous look, go ahead and stay tuned. So you guys, I just cut off the music because I kind of wanted to try this top. Today I am using this super popular Tarte concealer that I've been hearing so much about. So that's what I'm using right now to highlight. And you guys, it feels so amazing. It goes on so smooth. I've always heard great reviews about this. So I'm excited about trying this. I will just be going in with, of course, my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. So right now I'm just applying this powder. I always add it really good over here because this is where I crease the most because I laugh and smile a lot. I always get laugh lines right around here. So I always make sure that I set that really good. I'm not gonna be sitting here for long. Use my beauty blender and just kind of press the powder in instead of just dusting it off. I did start noticing that my under eye has been getting a little drier than usual. I feel like it's because of my baking. And I was watching other people makeup videos like Makeup Shayla and Ellery. They were literally mentioning that when you have like a dry under eye or like you see like few patches after you do your makeup, is because you bake too long. So, like I said, I'm still learning, but when I'm watching the OGs, thanks you guys, and I always pick up tips and tricks, you know what I mean? I guess that's what they're there for. For all my beginners, if you're watching my video, if you're starting to feel like your under eye is getting dry, a little bit drier than usual, and now I'm just gonna go in with my Laura Mercier. What I'm gonna do is we're gonna do the eyes and stuff, and then I'm gonna come back and dust it off. Brush them up. Ooh, I got them thick brows. Trace my brows. Doing is tracing them top and bottom, and then I'll go back in with the pencil and just fill them up right here. Eyebrows do not have to be perfect, identical, as like I said, my boo Shayla says they're sisters, not twins. I go back with this Ulta Beauty brow pomade. Just dip a little bit of it in there, and I go back over my eyebrows. I like the pencil look, but I also like this kind of finish. My new Tarte concealer. Clean up my brows with this quickly. My small brush that I usually clean up my eyebrows with, but this one contour first. So I'm just gonna use this NYX Cosmetics contour brush from Real Technique brushes, dabbing a little bit of it on here. And I've learned from watching all these videos that they say to get your contour and your jawline a little bit more snatch. Instead of putting it down here, just put it a little bit above. So about right here. And it'll give you just a little bit more of a snatched look. So foundation brush, and then I use that to blend out the contour. And I'm just gonna add whatever's left on this brush down the bridge of my nose, just to snatch it up a little bit better. Next, you guys, we're gonna do the eyes. I'll be using my Handy Dandy Morphe palette. I love this palette. I like it because it has a lot of neutrals, but it has so many colors. So I use this palette pretty often. I think it's a really, really good like beginner's palette because, like I said, it gives you a lot of the neutral tones, neutral colors. With the top part, and I'll just be using this fluffy brush right here, and I will be using this color. It's called Extra. So I'll be using that as the first color up top. Love Morphe, you guys, because they're not that expensive. This is a $3.50 palette. I've had this for a while, but I really think that it was like, what, I got it for like 35, 40 bucks or so. So I think it's very affordable and also a good investment for any beginners, you know. So I'm just using this orange as the first transition color. I'm just packing that on all over. So next, I'm going to be going in with a little bit more of a chocolate color. So I'll be using the color Slight right here. It's like a lighter chocolate color, not too dark. So I'll just be using this for the second transition color. And just add this to basically my crease area. I need a mirror for this, you guys. I'm literally trying to use this camera lens, and I think I'm not that much of a pro yet. So just gonna add this in. And you guys, the powder, the shadow can be buildable, so you don't have to add too much to begin with. You can always go back in and add more, but you don't want to have too much to begin with. So that's all I'm doing. I'll just be going back and forth and adding a little bit more each time and just building it up. So I'm just using the Tarte once again, and I'm just applying this on my eyelid here, just to cut the crease. I love saying that because, like I said, I'm still learning eyeshadow. So I literally before this had no clue what to do with eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this up a little bit. Ooh, look at how good that glides under. I love it. So just clean it up. And the other thing that I learned to cut the crease for you to see where you want it to stop, when you put the concealer on, you just open your eyes and then you see where basically where your lid is and where your lid stops. So I always do that. I open my eyes and I see where my lid stops, and that's how far I put on the concealer. This one is called Bossy right here. It's very pigmented, super rich. So now I'm just going back in, and I want to add what's up here to my bottom lash line. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with this chocolate color. And this lid color right here to my inner corner. So you guys, I didn't realize that my camera died and it basically stopped recording. So I had, before realizing that, I added a few things like my lashes, eyeliner, blush, and highlighter and stuff. And yeah, so now I'm just doing my lips. And I'm using this NYX Cosmetics lip liner. Get out of here. NYX Cosmetic lip liner. This is in the color.
So, Mommy, could you pause this real quick?
So, you guys, I love a nude lip. But today, I think I wanted to go a little bit bold. So, I'm just going to use this to line my lips. And you guys can hear my son whispering in the background. Do not get in here. This is why I film when he's still in school. But just applying my lip liner here. And then you guys, let's see how this goes. So this is Espresso Exposed. So it's this beautiful, deep, dark chocolate color. So let's just see how this is gonna look on my lips. I like this lip color, you guys, because it's not completely matte. So what I usually do when I still want my lips to be matte, but they're not, I'll just take loose powder. See? Takes away the shine of the lip. So it's a little bit glossy. It has a little bit of gloss in the lipstick. It's not just matte. There it is. That gave me like, a cute chocolate color. It matches my background. I like it. So you guys, last but not least, of course, we want to set everything. So, okay, popping. So this is the final look. And you guys, I am filming in natural light today. I'm actually feeling this a little bit better than the ring light. So here we are, you guys, at the end of the video. So this is a finished look. I'm loving this Tarte. It's literally just sitting there. It glided on so perfectly. And yeah, so this is just a finished look. Check out this highlight though, you guys. But yeah, this is a finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Go down in the descriptions below. And bye, guys.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will be coming to you guys with some more videos, of course. Follow me on all social media under @BookSiraBy or Sira By on Facebook. So I'll leave all of the links to that down below. And you guys, my fabulous makeup today, I will be leaving everything that I use down below, so don't forget. And you guys, if you really like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And you guys, thank you so much for your support. Like I said, I'm loving this new venture and I'm generally enjoying myself. And we're growing every single day. So all of my new subscribers, welcome. And all of my old ones, thank you so much for sticking with me. And there we are.